It's hard right in the
Made with whole soy and real fruit.
Come on, you can do it. On your side. There we go. Yay!
TBS Thursday nights.
Boom, 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 boom.
On TBS Thursdays, the comedy is all new. It's Can't Miss Comedy Night with all new episodes of the family comedy The Billing Ball Show.
You got that.
These friends are family. New episodes of My Boys.
When a guy's dancing, his back gets hot.
It's Can't Miss Comedy Night tomorrow night starting at 9, only on TBS. Very funny.
I'm trying to whip up a batch of mojitos, but I'm going to need about 30 sprigs of fresh mint.
Sprigs of mint? They're in the garden next to my artichokes.
Give them the proper supplies.
I didn't ask you to be bartender.
You know what? I can't work like this.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Thanks, man.
11 years, that is awesome.
Oh, yeah. Okay, easy little one pizza pocket away from blast off.
Check out my mojito.
Oh, okay.
So, where's the...
Oh, we caught a break. Yeah, one of his old army buddies died. So he's gone for the week. What? What's the matter?
Well, he borrowed $70 from me, and he said he'll pay me back today.
Lou, that money. She's gone.
How'd you put up a vegetable platter?
Oh, good thing, because it ain't a party till we get some broccoli chunks.
So you think everybody's having fun?
Yeah. Come here for a second. Look.
What?
At our wedding, we had about 125 guests.